that's healthy? Are you thinking in the same way as someone who has a healthy weight, someone that's been able to lose weight, keep it off, and not struggle with weight loss ever again? Like, if the answer is no, the thing is you're thinking in the exact opposite way. So you must change that thinking. And then he goes on to say, a man's way of doing things is the direct result of the way he thinks about things. This is very important, because in this, let me go to you. When I was 550 plus pounds, I kept thinking about being, I don't want to hit 600 pounds. I don't want to hit 600 pounds. And the only thing that happened was I ended up getting an industrial scale that stopped at 550 plus pounds, and I broke it. Like, I was getting to the place where the thing that I didn't want, because I was thinking about that each and every day. And until I changed my thoughts around that, I was able to actually start losing weight and keeping weight off. This is very key stuff, because so many times we think like, I just need to know what to do. You need to know what to think. You must think something that is going to get you to reach your goal, and that is very important. And then after that, Wallace says, to do things in a way you want to do them, you will have to acquire the ability to think the way you want to think. This is the first step towards getting rich. Now, I'm talking about health. He's talking about being rich. I'm talking about your health and your health. If you want to be able to lose weight, you have to start thinking in ways that are going to get you to lose weight. And remember, if we go back to your matrix of health, your matrix of eating is not going to get you there. They were programmed by someone else. So you must go in and change that programming. You must start thinking the thoughts that you want to have towards the goals that you want to have. If everything you've done up to this day has not got you to a place that you're happy with, then you must start changing the ways you're thinking. You must stop thinking the way that your family think. You must stop thinking the way that your grandparents think. Most of us most of the thoughts that we have come from about 4 or 5 generations before. We don't even know the person that actually helped give us these thoughts, because we just keep doing generational things. This is how we have things such as generational welfare, where those type of people that are having the kids think the exact same that they think, like, the government must take care of me. I can just sit at home and get a check every month. This is very important and very key, especially if you take control of this with your health. And then after that, he says, every man has the natural and inherent power to think what he wants to think, but it requires far more effort to do so than it does to think the thoughts which are suggested by appearances. And now what he's saying there is, it is harder for us to start believing in our own thoughts that we want to get to a healthy place. We want to get to a healthy body.